Allegations of sexual impropriety have left a community in Kambaa, Kiambu County divided. This is after it emerged that the resident priest has been preying on impressionable young women in his flock.
Well, one congregant claims that the priest not only impregnated his daughter but also made it possible for her to procure an abortion. Not all members of the close community are convinced, however, taking the view that the good name of their priest is being dragged through the mud and causing his alleged victims to keep silent for fear of being ostracized.
Stares of suspicion and wariness greet the new faces in town as word is spread of their presence. Not entirely unexpected of a small town, except no hands are extended in welcome. A reticent reception that could perhaps be explained by the gathering of priests at Our Lady of the Assumption Catholic Church, not for worship but for the hearing of complaints leveled against the parish priest. The hearing, held a day after the Daily Nation published charges leveled against the priest by several of his parishioners. The charges being that he was in the habit of preying on the naivete of the younger female members of his congregation, enticing them with house parties and trips before taking advantage of them. The father of one such youth, claiming his daughter admitted to attending at least one outing on which the priest swam nude, his daughter later conceiving a child he's convinced was fathered by the priest. The pregnancy later terminated, the aggrieved father says, with the blessing of the priest who provided the financing. Another reported incident is that of a 20-year-old whose 3-month-old child neighbors are convinced was the product of an affair with the priest who frequently visited with her ailing father. None of this, however, has been boldly stated in public, the aggrieved persons who spoke on condition of anonymity expressing fear of being ostracized by their community. The fear rooted in the disbelief exhibited by those members in the community who simply cannot reconcile the sins the priest is accused of committing with the office he holds. And it was in an effort to get to the bottom of things that the hearings were held at the church on Monday. Until such a time as a decision is taken, the Daily Nation reports the priest shall stand suspended.